Meta, also known as Facebook, will be reporting earnings tomorrow, February 1st, after the market closes. And today, January 31st, we detected unusual options activity, which represents the trades of wealthy investors and possibly insiders. And so in this video, we will be analyzing these unusual options to find out how these wealthy investors are trading Meta for earnings. Are they bullish or bearish? And then show you how we are trading Meta based on an option strategy and these unusual options. And to make things a little bit more interesting for this earnings, we will be giving away a free month of our membership at the bronze level, which is $100 per month. So that's $100 of value to whoever guesses the correct earnings price after the market opens on the next day. Not after hours, but in the morning of February 2nd. Okay, at 9:30, that price. So whoever gets this the closest to that price, leave a comment of the price that your guess of the price level of Meta, and whoever gets the closest will get a free month of our membership on our website. You can learn more. We'll put a link on our website at the top where we share this type of analysis work and stock picks for higher probability of profit trades to our membership. So without further ado, let's get to the data from today. So for today's data that we saw, very unusual here, at 10:28. We have these February 16th, 370 strike calls and 335 strike calls. We have 27,572 for the 370 strike calls, and we have 21,228. Okay, so this is the same trader because this was being traded at the same time. You can see this at the 8-second mark. Okay, so what is this trader doing? Let's take a look at the chain for the February 16th. That is 16 days away. And when we go to the strike prices, notice here at the 335 strike calls with volume of 22,000, open interest of 27,000. And then at the 370 strike calls, we have 28,000 volume and 6,700 open interest. So based on our analysis of the data and other variables as well, we believe this wealthy investor is closing out of these 335 strike calls to take profits and rolling the strikes up to the 370 strike calls to open. Okay, you can see that volume much greater than the open interest here. Okay, so based on this, where they are buying these calls to open, you can clearly see here that these are bullish trades with a positive 73 delta. Okay, and we know that they paid $31.24, which is $3,124 in options terms. Okay, so the value of this trade, of what they were trading here, 3,124 times 27,572 contracts is $86 million. Okay, so this is a bullish trader on Meta who is very wealthy, could be an institutional investor. Okay, and they are essentially staying bullish on the trade, taking profits on their previous 335 strike calls and moving to a higher strike price and staying bullish on the trade. Okay, so that is very important information, and that is why we are also going to go bullish on Meta. And this is our option strategy. We picked the February 2nd since this is the closest expiration cycle to earnings. We are simply trading this just for an earnings trade. Okay, so as always, earnings is very risky, and that is why we trade and reduce our risk just based on our position sizing. Okay, so the strategy we are using at the 420 strike calls for each of our trades, we are selling 2 of these calls at the 420s, buying the 410, one of these, and buying one of the 425s. And so when you analyze this trade, you can see here that this is a butterfly trade, a broken wing butterfly to be exact. Cost about $152 per trade, and you can see that we have the potential to make 348 if it rallies significantly. If it ends up around the 420 level, we could potentially make even more, around $800 of profit. As we explained, we are going long, so that is why on our Greeks we have a positive delta. And since these options are going to expire in just 2 days, that is why there is a very negative theta decay. Okay, negative 42. So that is the risk involved with this type of trade for earnings, as always. And so that is why we position size and don't put a lot of capital in this type of trade. We put more of our capital in our membership trades that we share with our members. We'll put a link with more information on our membership on our website over here. And as usual, please smash the like button and remember to comment below on what you think will happen to Meta, specifically the price, so that whoever gets the closest price wins a free month to our membership. Take care and have a great day.